Have you ever found yourself staring blankly at your computer screen, desperately trying to recall that elusive password you set what feels like ages ago? It is a common scenario, and one that can induce a good amount of panic, especially when you have important files. But what if I told you there are methods to solve this without losing a single file? Yes, no data loss. First, the simplest way, if your Windows account is linked to a Microsoft account, just click Forgot Password on the login screen. A pop-up window will appear. Now, fill in the email linked to the Windows account. Then click Send Code. A code will be sent to your linked email or phone, letting you easily reset it online. It is quick and convenient if you have access to your recovery information. However, if Microsoft account recovery isn't an option, perhaps you are using a local account, we have a powerful, straightforward method that works directly on your PC, keeping all your files safe. The first crucial step in this process is to access the Windows recovery environment. I want to show you the universal method that works on almost any modern laptop or desktop computer. Whether you are using a Dell, Lenovo, Acer, or a custom-built PC, this is your primary gateway back into your system. When you are at your login screen and realize you are locked out, look at the bottom right corner where the power icon is located. This universal trick involves a simple but precise combination. Click the power icon to see the restart option. Now, here is the secret: press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While you are firmly holding that Shift key down, click on Restart. You must keep holding that Shift key until the screen changes. Do not let go early, or the computer will just perform a standard restart, and you will be stuck back at the password prompt. By holding Shift, you are forcing Windows to bypass its normal boot sequence and enter the advanced troubleshooting menu. Think of this as the master key to your computer's internal repair shop. It is a powerful tool that most users never see, but it is exactly what you need to regain control. Now, if you happen to be using an HP computer, there is an even faster, hardware-specific way to reach this same menu. If the Shift Restart method didn't work for you, or if you want the dedicated HP path, start by turning your laptop completely off. As you press the power button to turn it back on, immediately begin tapping the Escape key repeatedly. This will interrupt the normal boot and bring up a specialized startup menu. From that menu, you will see an option for System Recovery, which you can trigger by pressing the F11 key. This is a dedicated shortcut built into HP motherboards to get you straight into the recovery environment. Both the Universal Shift Restart method and the HP F11 method will eventually lead you to the exact same blue screen. Once here, you will see options like Continue, Use a Device, or Troubleshoot. Our destination is the Troubleshoot option. This is where Windows houses its recovery and reset tools. Go ahead and click on Troubleshoot. This will then lead you to another set of options, typically Reset this PC and Advanced Options. Since our goal is to reset the password and keep our files, we want to select the Reset this PC option. This is the beauty of this method: Windows provides a way to refresh your operating system while preserving your personal data. It is like getting a fresh start without having to say goodbye to all your documents, photos, and videos. Many people mistakenly believe that resetting a PC always means wiping everything clean, but that is simply not the case with this specific choice. This particular reset is designed to reinstall Windows while keeping your files intact, which is paramount when you have forgotten your password and just want to regain access to your existing data. After selecting Reset this PC, you will be given two primary choices: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. This is the moment of truth. You must absolutely select the first option, Keep My Files. This is the key to resetting your password without the heartbreaking loss of your documents, pictures, videos, and other personal data. Selecting Remove Everything would wipe your drive clean, but our objective is to get you back into your computer with all your data still waiting for you. Choosing Keep My Files tells Windows to reinstall the operating system but to leave your personal user folder untouched. This leads you to one final choice: Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. For most users, the Local Reinstall option is the most straightforward. It uses the Windows installation files already present on your computer, making it faster and more reliable if your internet connection is unstable. Once you initiate the local reinstall, your PC will begin the process. This might take some time, depending on the speed of your computer. Your screen might go black, your computer might restart several times, and you will see progress indicators. It is crucial to be patient during this stage and not to interrupt the power. Let your computer do its thing. It is performing a complex reinstallation of the operating system's core components. Once the process is complete, your computer will restart, and you will be greeted with a fresh Windows setup experience. However, unlike a brand new installation, your personal files will still be there. You will go through the initial setup steps, like selecting your region and keyboard layout, and then you will be able to create a brand new password for your user account. Since the operating system has been reinstalled, the old password is gone, and you have a fresh start. Once you have set your new password, you will log in and find everything right where you left it. It is a truly liberating feeling to regain access to your digital world without the stress of a total wipe.